Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Gatekeeper on macOS for trusted apps, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Gatekeeper on macOS for trusted apps, start by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Preferences. In the System Preferences window, locate and click on Security and Privacy. Look for the lock icon in the bottom left corner of the window. Click on the lock icon to make changes. You will be prompted to enter your administrator password. Once entered, click on Lock to proceed. Now, you can see options for allowing apps downloaded from. Select the option that says Anywhere. If you do not see Anywhere, you might need to run a terminal command. Open the terminal by navigating to Applications, then Utilities, and clicking on Terminal. In the terminal window, type the command sudo spctl master disable and press Enter. You will be asked for your password again, enter it and press Enter. After executing the command, return to the Security and Privacy window. You should now see the Anywhere option available for downloaded apps. Select Anywhere to allow apps from any source. Once you're done, click the lock icon again to prevent further changes. Close the System Preferences window. Now you can install and run trusted apps without being blocked by Gatekeeper. Remember to only disable Gatekeeper for apps you trust to ensure your security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.